In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to report someone on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, would like to report someone on chess.com, and of course, if you want to do that, let's try this on one of my last games here. So let's just say you're playing against this one, you would like to report him for something. Simply go and click at their name. You'll find this, click on this report option, and you'll find here a lot of options. You can report them for abuse, for fair play, or for others, and you can even block them by checking this option. So choose whatever suits you, why you would like to report him, and once you finish, click on report, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.